Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a lovely mushroom side dish recipe. This is Kadai Mushroom. Now this particular side dish is great for rotis, chapatis and phulkas. I've made several mushroom recipes earlier. I'll give you a couple of links in the description, you can check them out. So why wait, let's dive right into the recipe. I'm going to grind 4 large tomatoes. These have been chopped finely. Add the chopped tomatoes to the mixer jar and grind it into a nice fine puree. To a kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, add the whole spices, cinnamon, clove, cardamom and bay leaf. Next, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, add 3 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. Saute the onions till they're a nice golden brown color. You can see the onions have become a nice golden brown color. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Add the tomato puree. Cook the tomato puree for about 15 minutes till it's completely reduced. So now I'm going to start adding all the masala powders. First, season it with a little bit of salt. I've taken about 1 teaspoon of salt. I will add more if needed. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons of red chilli powder. So you can adjust the spice according to your taste. 2 teaspoons cumin powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder. So after adding all the spice powders, just mix everything together. So you can see the masala has come together beautifully. The oil is beginning to separate. So we've cooked the masala nicely. This will take a couple of minutes. For this recipe, I've taken about 400 grams of fresh mushrooms. Make sure you clean and wash them nicely. After 5 minutes, add the capsicum and the onion wedges. I've taken 1 whole capsicum and cut into wedges and 1 onion that's been cut into wedges. So just mix everything in. You can see the kadai mushroom is coming together so beautifully. So now I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala powder. Just mix all that in. So now I'm adding 1 cup of water. Close the kadai and cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. So it's been cooking for about 10 minutes now. You can see the oil has separated. The vegetable is cooked. So now you can check for seasoning, and if you need salt you can add some. So I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of salt now. Mix everything nicely. The kadai mushroom is done. I'm finishing off by adding 1 heaped teaspoon of ghee. Adding ghee will enhance the flavors and make the dish all the more tasty. Add a few ginger juliennes. Add some crushed kasuri methi. I'm also adding 2 green chilli slit. So there you go, the kadai mushroom is done. It's absolutely delicious, bursting with all these lovely flavors. You can enjoy this with some nice phulkas, chapatis or rotis by the side. So here is a really tasty and simple kadai mushroom recipe that you can try. This goes very well with any Indian bread. You can also enjoy it with some nice jeera rice or with some nice pulao by the side. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.